are going to love the 2018 Fit. The Fit was engineered to be useful, efficient, and reliable. But its most important attribute is its innate charm and coolness. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, power mirrors, traction control system, daytime running lights, fog lights, outside temperature gauge, power sunroof, navigation system, backup camera, leather upholstery. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.